today's class. Already we have completed up to 14th sum. After that I will tell you a clear information about proportion and continued proportion. Based on that type we can going to see the sums. That is the very important model mark. So we concentrate this. So listen, 16th question. If x by a equal to y by b equal to z by c, prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So the solution, first whatever they given, you need to consider that terms is equal to k. So what is given? X by a equal to y by b equal to z by c is equal to k. After that split the term separately. X by a equal to k, comma, y by b equal to k, comma, z by c equal to k. So x is equal to ak. Next to y equal to bk. Next to z equal to ck. Now this is x and y. Already I said no, we need to substitute this in the left hand side and right hand side. First we are going to see the left hand side term. So what is the left hand side term? X cube by a square plus y cube by b square plus z cube by c square. Now we are going to apply x, y, z value in the given term. What is x? Ak the whole cube by a square plus what is y? Bk the whole cube by b square. Next what is z? Ck the whole cube by c square. Next split the term. This cube common for a and k. So a cube into k cube by a square plus b cube into k cube by b square plus c cube into k cube by c square. Next a square, here we have a cube. Everything cancel, remaining 1. 2 times cancel, remaining 1. 2 times cancel, remaining 1. So a into k cube plus b into k cube plus c into k cube. In this take k cube as common, remaining a plus b plus c. Take this is equation number 1. Next take it right hand side. What is right hand side term? X plus y plus z whole cube divided by a plus b plus c the whole square. As usual, we need to apply this term here. What is x? Ak. So ak plus what is y? Bk. What is z? Ck the whole cube divided by a plus b plus c the whole square. Next, listen here. Take k. Both all these terms we have k. So this is cube term. So better take k cube as common. Remaining term a plus b plus c the whole cube divided by a plus b plus c the whole square. So square term, this term cancel, remaining 1. So k cube into a plus b plus c. This is equation number 2. So equation number 1 and equation 2 are same. So left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence ruled. So clear now. So all the sums in the same order. So listen, 7 remaining sums is the homework sums mark. So 17th third. What is 17th question? A by b equal to c by d equal to e by f. What we are going to consider? Equal to k. So using this we need to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. So how we write this? So a equal to b k va. C equal to c by d equal to k. So c equal to dk. Next e by f equal to k. So e equal to fk. This is the term. First we are going to apply left hand side. What is left hand side? A squared by b squared plus c squared by d squared plus e squared by f squared. What is a? A equal to bk va. So bk squared by b squared plus what is c equal to dk va. So dk squared by b squared plus what is e? Fk va. So fk squared by f squared equal to. Now listen. This square common for the both the term. So b squared into k squared by b squared plus b squared into k squared by b squared plus f squared into k squared by f squared. Next b squared cancel, b squared cancel, f squared cancel. So k squared plus k squared plus k squared. So equal to k squared 3 times f. Most of the students doing this is k power 6. That is wrong. This is not a multiplication, it's a addition. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. 3k squared. Take this is equation number number 1. In the same formation, take it right hand side. What is right hand side? AC by BD plus CE by DF plus AE by BF. Now same thing, you are going to apply ABC value here. What is A value? DK. So DK into C by what is B value? Okay, nothing. So BD is same thing. Plus what is C value? DK. So dk into E divided by df plus what is E value? Fk. So A into Fk divided by df. A into Fk divided by df. Okay, ma'am. Next, listen. Here, after this, again you need to substitute. What is C value? Instead of C, can we apply dk? Next, what is E value? Instead of E, apply Fk. Next, instead of A, apply dk. Next, B term B cancel, dt cancel, we have only k square plus here dt cancel, ff cancel, k square plus here bb cancel, ff cancel, k square. So same formation, take this is equation number 2. Now left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence provision. Okay, my 18th sum is your homework sum. Come to 19th sum. 19th first sum I will do the sums, remaining sums do the homework. I will send you the homework sums. Listen, if A, B, C, D are in proportion, listen, here they given it's a proportion, it's not a continued proportion, mind you. The previous sums they won't mention it's a proportion, continued proportion, but here they mention it's a proportion. Need to look into that. First, it's a proportion now. So it's a proportion now, how we write this? A by B equal to C by D. We can consider this term is equal to K. So A equal to B K bar, C equal to D K bar. Okay. First take it left hand side. What is left hand side? 5A plus 7B into 2C minus 3D. Okay. What is 5? What is A value? DK plus 7B. Sorry, don't use bracket here. Into 2 into what is C value? dk minus 3d. Next, listen. Here these both b. So take k as common. Remaining 5b plus 7b. Here also take k as common. Remaining 2d minus 3d. So k into 5 plus 7 12. 12b. Here k into k bar, k square. Here minus b. So what is this? Minus 12 k square b d. Take this is equation number 1. Next to come to right hand side. What is right hand side? 5c plus 7b into 2a minus 3b. So 5 into what is c? C value dk bar, dk plus 7 into what is d? We don't have d. So keep it d as it is. Next, 2 into what is A? Bk minus 3, we don't have B. So, take K as common, remaining 5D plus 7D. Here also take K as common, remaining 2B minus 3D. K into 12D. K into K, K square. Next, minus B. So, minus 12 K square BD. Take this is equation number 2. So listen ma, equation number 1 and equation number 2 both are same. So automatically left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence proved. Is it clear? Okay. 19th sum, this is the first sum. This is 8th sum. The up to this is common for here also. Up to this common for this term also. For all sums you need to write this. So here straightly I can take the left hand side. What is left hand side? A, B, C, D into 1 by A square plus 1 by B square plus 1 by C square plus 1 by D square. We need to apply the term. So what is A equal to BK? So BK into B value B What is C value? dk into k. Bracket 1 by what is A value? bk. So bk na b square k square plus 1 by what is b? b square plus 1 by what is C? dk. So d square k square plus 1 by d square. So here b square.
Wait.
b into b square, k into k square, d into d square. Next, listen mark here we need to take a LCM. Listen, denominator we have b square, k square and d square. So here numerator term we need d square. So d square by b square, okay, d square plus here we have b square. So what we need? K square d square. So k square d square. Here we have d square k square. What we need? B square. Plus here we have d square. So what we need? B square k square divided by b square k square d square. Next listen. This b square k square d square, these two cancel. So what is the remaining term? b square plus k square d square plus b square plus d square k square. So in this can we take d square as common? So remaining 1 plus k square. In this can we take b square as common? So 1 plus k square. So 1 plus k square, 1 plus 4 square. So take it common. 1 plus k square into d square plus b square. Take this is equation number 1. Next, come to right hand side. What is right hand side? A square plus b square plus c square plus d square. What is a value? A equal to bk. So b square k square plus d square. What is c value? D square. So d square k square plus d square. So take d square common, remaining k square plus 1 plus take d square as common, remaining 1 k square plus 1. So 1 plus k square into b square plus d square. So take this is equation number 2. So listen, equation number 1 and 2 are same. So here also left hand side equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Okay ma, I hope you all understand up to this. The remaining sums, it's a continued proportion formation. So in the next video we are going to complete this exercise. I hope you all understand this. Do the sums by yourself. It's a repeating sentence only. Do the sums, don't waste your time. Thank you students.